I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia multiplayer. Getting started is simple. You can host a private lobby for your friends or join a public game. Up to 4 players can investigate haunted locations together. To invite your friends, simply use the in-game friends list or share your unique lobby code. Your primary goal is to work as a team to identify the ghost haunting the location and complete any additional objectives. Effective teamwork is key to success in Phasmophobia. Consider assigning roles, such as one player focusing on evidence gathering, another monitoring sanity, and a third actively hunting the ghost. Essential gear includes the EMF reader, spirit box, and ghost writing book, among many others. Remember, constant communication through your in-game radio is absolutely vital for sharing crucial evidence and warning your teammates about impending danger. To effectively hunt ghosts, strategically deploy your equipment. Use thermometers to locate the ghost's favorite room and UV lights to find fingerprints. Pay close attention to ghost interactions, like objects being thrown or apparitions appearing, as these provide valuable evidence. Always have an escape route in mind, especially when the ghost begins to hunt. Knowing your teammates' positions is also crucial for coordinated movements and safety. For advanced play, especially on higher difficulties, managing your sanity is paramount to avoid frequent ghost hunts. Learn to utilize hiding spots effectively, such as lockers or closets, and practice breaking the ghost's line of sight during a chase. Always ensure you have a clear path to the exit, and be prepared to abandon the investigation if the situation becomes too dangerous. Remember, survival is just as important as identifying the ghost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.